Okay, I have a box here from Nightmare Reality Studios. He did a blind auction for one of his things. I have a few of his stuff. He does really good work. You probably know what this is by the title of the video. But I'm gonna do a live opening. Let's see what he looks like. Hopefully I'm not doing any damage to anything while I'm cutting this. Appears to be two things in here. So I might have got a surprise. I think I'll open the surprise first. And it's a Boglin. This is really random. I don't know if he knows that I'm really into Boglins or what, but he sent me a free Boglin along with my purchase. Yeah, so this will be added to my collection of over close to 100 Boglins. It's pretty cool. Here he is. Kind of definitely well protected. I definitely recommend buying from this guy if you're into like 80s movies with little creatures in them. I have a bunch of his other stuff that I might do a video about. Ships really fast, really high quality stuff. You're not going to be able to get this though. This was the only one he's selling. The rest went to an art gallery. Anticipation grows. It's just the outline of a bag. And here he is, Mac from Mac and Me. This is a movie that I have a lot of nostalgia for. I still remember the trailer. I was at my friend's house when it came out. I was so excited for it. I was like, screw E.T., this is the alien movie to get. And ever since then, it's been a love affair. And I didn't know about this, but he can bend. He's got like a wire skeleton. So he's awesome. If you guys are interested, I'll do a video of my other things by him. You can check him out on Facebook, Nightmare Reality Studio. Really good work. And that's all.